Where do you want to start?
All right, so this is my rig. She's a 1998 Chevy 3500 road truck.
Look at the Smitty.
Her name is Smitty, after my aunt who has traveled the world, and she's older now, so I send her postcards from everywhere I go. So this is in honor of my aunt. And I had a trailer for about 2 years, and then I decided to do a van because it's easier to travel with, basically. So I'm going to have you come to the back. So
You have to pet my dog a couple more times. Okay.
We have the cute doggy.
All right.
So this road trek is amazing. It's a Road Trek 200 Versatile. Has a ton of storage under here.
Wow.
A ton. Very lucky.
You have extra
Yes.
kayak paddles.
Yes, I do. And then this is my bike rack, which normally I get my kayak on the back and my electric bike on the back, but right now we have our rafts for later.
Oh, we have a video on that, so
Yes.
I will try to link the video
Okay.
if I figure out how to do that.
Yes, that would be awesome.
Miss Professional here, taping. So does this window open up?
No,
I don't see a door.
no, that's the only bummer about this is the door does not open in the back.
And you have another one of these on the other side?
Yes.
Does it go straight through?
Yes, it does. Yeah, so I put my long rugs in there and my chairs in there.
Do you have any other storage in the back out? You were showing me something that
Oh,
your
on the other
stabilizers
side-
were.
On the other side?
Geez, turn her back to us, ladies and gentlemen.
So it's a 30 amp, which is wonderful. Also has water. So this is a small storage. This is kind of where I put all my leveling blocks and stuff. Those are my sewer hoses that I don't use.
You're not using blocks like the average blocks. Those are wood. Do they
Yes.
work out better for you?
Yes, because the plastic ones break. And then here's some more storage here, which is amazing.
Oh
And
my.
I have that tank because I have a gas propane fire pit if I need it.
So where's your water come in?
Oh, back here there's a thing,
Okay.
but I don't use it very much. I'm old school.
You camped a lot when you were a kid, eh?
Yes, tents and everything else, and so anyway, I can travel 2 to 3 months in the summer because I work for a school system. That as of 3 months ago, I'm full-time in here because I sold my house. And
You're a true boondocker?
I am, and I'm
A van lifer? What's the term?
full-time
You're it.
nomad. That's
You're
what I
a
am.
nomad, that's it.
Still working, so you'll see my system in here, my table and everything.
Okay.
That my wonderful
Pet my
brother
dog.
helped me with.
Pet the dog.
Pet the dog.
Okay.
Cute little doggy.
It's the first time she's going to be in air conditioning.
Right. Come on in.
All right, so we're going to talk a little louder because we are not going to suffer. Oh, those are cute before I come in.
Come on in. What?
All right, I'm coming in.
Okay.
Shutting the door for the air, eh?
So
Oh
this
my gosh, this is
so cool. It's
I am
cool
muggy
weather.
sweating in mine.
Okay, so here is the table that my brother helped me put together here. And it basically goes like this. This is all the stickers from all my
Wait a minute, I'm turning.
travels.
Let me look. Whoa. So, girl, you've been traveling.
I have been.
All right.
I sit there and there's this nice light right here, nice and bright. And then,
Very light. Very light color.
yeah.
Lots of
And
sunlight
this is what
coming
the
in.
road truck is famous for, these 3 little windows that are really nice, but not in the summertime up here.
I know, but
Okay. Oh, that's
She just punched
driving.
my shoulders, ladies and gentlemen, saying, dang, did she have to film this herself? Okay.
But they're not so fun in the summertime, so we have to cover them up with
So this
reflectors.
doesn't work to
No.
cover them up?
No, it's not enough insulation.
Okay.
So here's the
Oh, I like
sink.
these things. They're really,
Yeah.
they
Yeah,
put a lot
lots
of storage here. So you're saying up here,
A lot of
you don't
storage.
really use the black tank or the gray tank or
Nope.
whatever that is?
I do have a generator, which is very wonderful. I just found that I just didn't like dumping and all that because I did it with my trailer, and I'm always by a bathroom, so no big deal. I use a pee jug.
Okay. Me too.
And then, okay, so there's all storage in here. Sink.
You're not going to open that up for us?
Stove.
No, she's not.
Well, there's one little trash can
Oh my
here.
gosh, you get a trash can?
Yeah, there's lots of storage.
Is there anything in there I can borrow?
No. No. Okay, refrigerator.
What's this?
This
Wait.
is amazing. No, you gotta look at this refrigerator. It's huge. And a freezer. We love it. It's a 3-way, so it can do...
I don't know, I'm a foodie. Let me see the food.
It's not very exciting.
Food's exciting to me.
Okay, not much going
Well,
on
it's
in
a little
there.
bit boring.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, very boring. Okay, so it can go on battery, propane, or electric.
Do you use your microwave a lot?
Not that much, but I do use it usually when I'm plugged in.
So you're not using this storage that I see a lot of van people do?
Yes, I do. There is stuff in there. Of course we do.
Okay.
But there's storage here, storage here, storage here, storage
Look
here,
how wait a minute. Wait a minute. You have you have a step there. And how tall are you, Cindy?
Yes, I'm 5'10", so look at this. So supposedly, let me walk down. Yes. Supposedly the guy who designed these was 6'4". Okay. So, and here's the bathroom, so we're gonna have to come around. This is pretty amazing.
All right.
So you're gonna have to step up here.
I'm just gonna suffer with this air conditioner sitting up here.
So this opens like this. It's pretty amazing.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. So there's the shower. The curtain comes all the way around.
I'm sorry, Cindy, but we're at station identification because I am just loving this air blowing down. Oh, you have it. Wait a minute. Before you get in the bathroom, let's talk about what's important.
Okay.
How come I'm getting so much air? What is that?
Oh, so I put plastic, I don't know, diverter vents, so it goes down.
Goes straight down.
Yes.
That's why I was feeling it.
Yes.
Okay, back to the potty room.
Okay, so toilet.
Do you use it?
No.
Okay.
I use a pee jug, and then I find toilets.
So you really have never had to use that in this rig?
No.
Okay.
But people do. I just choose not to.
Okay.
I've done it in the past, not with this rig, but other rigs, and I just choose not to. Okay, so this curtain goes all the way around, and this makes into a shower, which is amazing. And then there's a drain right here. I will show you. Right there.
Oh, okay.
Never use the shower either.
Oh, so it just levels off, and you've never used the shower either, huh?
No. However, Diane and I, she's gonna let me borrow her shower thing. I just don't like carrying water, you know? It adds weight to the rig and all that business.
Okay.
So, that's that.
What is your gas mileage that you get off this rig?
Oh, yeah.
Because you're not adding water or anything.
I'm averaging between 13 and 15.
Folks, I'm laying back on the bed because it's just so airy. This is not the way you professionally do a video.
Okay,
Ooh, what's
so
this? Wait, what's this?
Oh, that's really cool. So, right now I have my sleeping bag in there for cold weather.
Okay.
But I love this thing at night. I pull this out. Look at this. And I put my fan on here. And I put my glasses and phone at night.
Oh, and you got a TV?
Yep. My brother helped me install that. Haven't quite used that yet either, but I tested it at home.
Does it have a DVD player?
Yes, it does. So here is the closet, which is amazing. It has all my clothes in it. And I'm in here full time. And yeah.
Miss Nomad.
Look at me.
No wonder you travel with me 2 to 3 months out of the year.
There's
And with
that.
all those poster things, not jealous, not envious, but she's doing this right. Wait a minute, go back to that thing.
I did a lot of those with you, actually.
Oh, you did?
I did. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna see what they got
Oops. Okay, panning back. But there was something, you opened that up and there was another fold or something. Can you close yourself in the bedroom with that?
Oh, this?
Does it work?
Oh, yeah, I think this comes out like this for the shower. Just for an extra protection, I guess.
Oh, look at you.
Look at that. Yeah.
Just new discovery, huh?
All the time. The engineering on this thing is like amazing.
What's that thing there?
What?
Oh, that's a vent.
Yeah, for the stove. And so I do run my refrigerator off of propane 95% of the time. Yep. But what I do is I open this door at night and close myself in with the air conditioning. It stays nice and cool in here.
Can you sit down so the dog can get cool? I'm more concerned about
Oh,
her
my
than you.
goodness.
I'm so sorry. I am now a new dog owner. Yep, her name is Mississippi.
Oh, feel the cool breeze.
What are you doing to me? All right, so you have a fan up here.
Bye-bye. Yes,
And
an event.
you have another vent somewhere else in here
No, well,
beside
that's
that?
the vent.
Okay, so
and
that's
a
it.
fan.
That's it.
Yeah.
So it's not a dual.
Yep. Lots of lighting.
I know I asked you, but what kind of gas mileage do you get again?
13 to 15, maybe 17 sometimes.
What's your driving speed? I happen to know because I drag behind you, but what is your driving
Between
speed?
62 and 65. This thing is about 9,000 pounds, so it's very heavy. Very heavy.
All the time. We are going 65 at the very most.
Because she gets better gas mileage than
I do too. I do. So,
And this thing is a lot taller than hers, I think, and so it gets a little tippy in the wind, so I have to watch my speed.
is that a double bed, a single bed?
I
No,
think
that's
it's
not
a
a
double.
single.
No, it's a double.
Standard bed, whatever.
Very comfortable. Yeah, I would say it's a double bed.
Well, thank you, Cindy.
You're welcome.
Anything else you want to? Wait, why are you a nomad? You're working. You're doing.
Yes.
Do you want to say why you're a nomad, or just let that go as I'm a nomad?
Well, I'm about ready to retire, hopefully in 2 years, and so I sold my house and decided to invest that money, and I'm kind of just traveling around, seeing where I want to land, and hopefully saving money.
Sweet. What's your maintenance on this vehicle? Because what year is
Yes,
it?
1998. Yes, she's definitely had stuff done to her since I've had her. Normal stuff though: brakes, tires, alternator, catalytic converter. So she runs really well though.
Have you ever been expelled or not accepted in any of campsite because of the rig's age?
No, because I don't go to those kinds of campsites.
Okay.
Oh, and she's got the hiccups.
All right. Well, with that, do you want to say goodbye, or do you want to add anything else?
No,
or-
I'm good. Bye-bye. Let's go to the lake.
Before we opened the door to leave, I noticed that she had a stack of books. And what do you say? These are books to live by.
The Nomad books to live by. Yes.
Corps of Engineering Camping, your Atlas, Scenic Highway Bypasses, 1,000 Places to See Before You Die.
I picked it up at a thrift store. It was interesting to me.
All right. Okay. All right, let's walk out the door.
Okay.
Where you go with my dog? Bring my dog back.
I'm kidnapping.
Mississippi, come here. Mississippi, come here. Oh, no, stay there. Don't listen to me.
We're good. Yeah, don't listen to her.
Ah, is this going to be a s'more night?
Oh, yeah. Got some kindling going here. My new axe. Happy with the axe.